Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix phone numbers format in Excel. So let's get started. I start by opening the Excel worksheet with the phone numbers that you want to format. Select the cell containing the number, right-click on it. From the menu, click Format Cells. Now from this box, select a special. And under the location box, you can choose your country code. Click OK to apply the formatting. And there you have it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.